these questions regularly? The answer is simple. Rules are a set of explicit or understood regulations and principles governing conduct in a particular activity or sphere, in which they are needed to impose regulations in the society and allow to avoid chaos in everything. Rules are actually a set of principles according to which something is done, an organized scheme or method, or what we call a system. This is where professional regulatory bodies butt in, a public organization or government agency that is set up to exercise regulatory function. This involves imposing requirements, conditions or restrictions, setting up standards for activities, and enforcing in these areas in obtaining compliance.
Just like in the practice of accounting profession, among others, is governed by regulatory bodies, such as Professional Regulatory Commission, Board of Accountancy, and Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants. The financial reports prepared are also affected by the rulings and promulgation signed out by the Securities Exchange Commission, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and Bureau of Internal Revenue.
To start with the Professional Regulatory Commission or PRC. The Professional Regulatory Commission was first created as a national government agency by Presidential Decree ED number 223 dated June 22, 1973, signed by then President Ferdinand E. Marcos. Professional Regulatory Commission or the PRC is the governing body in charge of regulating and licensing the practice of professions like accounting, medicine, nursing, and engineering. The Professional Regulatory Commission is the instrument of the Filipino people in securing for the nation as a reliable, trustworthy, and progressive system of determining the competence of professionals by credible and violent licensure examinations and standards of professional practice are globally recognized. Next is the Board of Accountancy or BOA. Republic Act 105 regulated on March 19, 1923 the practice of accounting by creating the Board of Accountancy. It shall be composed of a chairman and 6 members appointed by the President of the Philippines, recommended by the PRC. The vision and mission of the PRC is as follows. It is under the jurisdiction of the PRC and is tasked to set up and promulgate professional standards and ethics in the practice of accounting profession. It has 3 main objectives according to its updated Republic Act 9298, otherwise known as the Accountancy Act of 2004. First, the standardization and regulation of the accounting education, also updating CPAs on current accounting and business standards and policies. Second, the examination for registration of the certified public accountants. BOA is also the one that grants certificates to deserving graduates of accountancy that had passed a CPA licensure exam. And third, the supervision, control, and regulation of the practice of accountancy in the Philippines. Next is the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants or PICPA. All CPAs whose names appear in the registry of the professionals of PRC are automatically members of the PICPA. The Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants is an accredited professional organization by the Professional Regulatory Commission or the PRC. The Integrated National Professional Organization for Certified Public Accountants in the Philippines, having the basic authority of setting up regulations and ethics vital to the accounting profession. The principal office of the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants is located in the city of Mandaluyong, Metro Manila. The PICPA recognizes the 4 sectors in which a CPA may be in practice, namely public practice, commerce and industry, education or the academe, and the government. In this regard, the Philippine Financial Reporting Standards Council and Philippine Interpretation Council were created in 2006 to assist in setting up and promulgating standards. Finally, the Philippine Financial Reporting Standards in the Philippines were composed of 3 sets. First, the Philippine Reporting Standards. Second, the Philippine Accounting Standards or PAS. And third, the Philippine Accounting Interpretations. The vision and mission of the PICPA is as follows.
Under PICPA's umbrella are the following. Government Association of Certified Public Accountants, or GACPA, is the first sectoral association of CPAs in the country. It is an organization of accounting professionals who are working individually in various government agencies nationwide. Association of CPAs in Commerce and Industry, or ACPAC. All accounting professionals, whether public or private accountants, are members of this organization. Institute of Internal Auditors, or IIA, an organization for all the accounting professionals who are working as internal auditors in the Philippines. National Association of Certified Public Accountants in Education, or NACPAE, an organization for accounting professionals who are working in the field of education as accounting professors. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, or BSP, supervises the operations of all the banks and financing institutions in the Philippines. BSP's main reason of existence is to maintain price stability with regards to a balanced and sustainable economic growth. This institution is tasked to maintain and promote price stability of the country. It also provides rules and regulations in the areas of money, credit, and banking. The vision and mission of Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas is as follows. Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR, imposes tax and license compliance from people and business entities to generate profit. They are required to fill up and submit periodic tax returns and pay licenses, fees, and taxes. Collection of licenses, fees, and taxes is the prime objective of this agency. The vision and mission of Bureau of Internal Revenue is as follows. Securities Exchange Commission, or SEC, it implements laws such as Code of Corporations in the Philippines. It includes corporate governance, trading in the capital markets, mergers, and consolidations. SEC develops and regulates the capital market, which is a crucial part of the Philippine financial system and economy. SEC can be considered as a police force of the corporate world. The vision and mission of Securities and Exchange Commission is as follows.